We've been having a lot of fun with these Halloween projects and trying new things. For this video, we'll be making a Halloween luminary that utilizes solar-powered LEDs. Now let's have some fun with it. Let's start by ripping the board to about 8 inches wide and 10 inches tall. We then Googled a spooky drawing and freehanded the design. After about 2 minutes of cutting, the blade snapped, so I switched over to my jigsaw. Now, it's not ideal, but it got the job done. With a little bit of glue, some brad nails, and some clamps to keep it together, we then assembled our luminary box.
So you're probably wondering, what are we gonna do for the top? Well, this is gonna be illuminated with a $10 job lot. I think that's Ocean State Job Lot LED light. Kind of flickers like a flame, but we're going to put it in here like this. The top has to stay to the sun. So we're going to have to cut a circle and put the top in here. Also, we're going to have to lower it. So we'll cut this handle off, but there's no wiring until you actually get to a switch. What I like about this is that you'll never have to add batteries. It'll work actually for hours. I currently have some in the yard that are lit from dusk until 2 in the morning. So this is an inexpensive way to light this luminary, and it's going to make it look great.
We cut the LED down so it would fit inside the luminary. We had to get creative a little bit in order for this light to fit, so we began cutting some pieces off. But once we got it to fit in place, we turned the shop lights off, and look how bright this is.
So now that this is done, well, it's really not done, we need to paint it. So I'm thinking more of a black-gray motif, kind of give it a scary, eerie look. And if I don't like the way it turns out, I can always just paint it again. So as you can see, I have my base coat, which is a good starting point. But what I think I want to do is I want to put some blood coming out of his mouth. But I saw this actually Halloween makeup tip for props. And they used hot glue and they gave some beads and then they painted it red. So I'm going to give that a try.
And there you have it. For under $10 and a little bit of creativity, you've got yourself a solar-powered luminary that stays lit for hours this Halloween holiday season. If you liked this project and are interested in more, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button below.